Welcome to Steiner Family Motorsports. My name is Tim Steiner. This is my 2023 Stark Varg. This is going to be the Dream Riders 2024 PeeWee Bike and Quad Track Preview for NYOA.net Round 1. I hope to see you guys there. Without any further ado, let's get this thing rolling. Fast, flowy field sections for you guys. All this is through the parking field, so good spectator views. Again, the cows knocked over those stakes, so they will all be put back up. This will all be ribboned, of course. We got a split line right here. You can go to the left or to the right here. You can go straight for the easier kids, or you can come up the ravine. There's tons of different lines through here. Again, we are still clearing some of this, like that log will be out of the way. But multiple lines. Split right there, you can go inside. I took the outside. Here's another split. Bypass goes to the left out into the field, or you can come up the hill like this, another line there, or all the way up. Whatever you choose. The bypass comes in right back there. Right line, left line. I think my dad put the bypass to come over there too. Yep. The bypass will definitely be longer than going up that hill, but it will be easier, so. Back up the big bike track. So this is PeeWee bike and quad. The finish will be right here. this field section. Little zigzag, gotta finish putting up some stakes through here. Ooh, I missed the corner. You guys are going here, and yes, we're putting some more wood on this bridge for you. And boom, that creates one lap here at the 2024 Dream Riders Round 1 PeeWee bike and quad. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe for future videos, track maps, riding this thing on moto, races, all of the above. I'd love to see you guys stay connected. As always, my name is Tim Steiner. I look forward to seeing you guys here. We have a bicycle track coming for you guys on Saturday, a Strider race for you guys with prizes, everything. Just stay tuned. Check Facebook, check NYOA for all updates, and man, I'm super excited for this year. We got some rain today, but the track is going to be perfect. It was actually dry. If you watched my mini track preview, it was very dry yesterday. So again, I hope to see you guys here. Until then, enjoy your guys' week. Hopefully you get all your bikes and quads set up for the weekend, and I'll see you guys here for round 1 on NYOA.net. Let's go, baby. Let's check out how long that lap was. I'll have this track preview at the end of this video so you guys can all see it. Just gives you a nice little view of it. It was 1.85 miles, so almost 2 miles. It took me 6 minutes, so it will take them much longer than that. But yeah, so almost 2 miles for the minis, probably like 1.9 for the PeeWees, excuse me, because the GPS cuts out some of these spots, some of these small zigzags. But let's say 1.9 miles for the PeeWees. It makes you check out the big bike and quad track preview and the mini track preview. Gives you a good idea of what the conditions are here. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.